I want to do a makeover, but I'm undecided. So I kind of need you guys' help. So you guys see this? This is a little jacket that I had. This is really, really old. And I'm shocked that I can still even get it on. This is over 28 years old. Yes, it's that long. I remember going to a New Year's party with my baby's daddy, and I had this jacket on with a little gold dress. It was a New Year's party. But I'm wondering, guys, should I take it? It's this jacket that's trending over the internet, guys. It's actually a short jacket, and I'm gonna put the picture in, guys. So basically I will cut this part off and then put the ruffles, the pleats, the ruffles going around, and it would be a short jacket versus the long one. So you guys tell me what y'all think. Do you think it looks better as a long little cape jacket thing, or I could have turned it into like a top? Like, you know what, guys? I think I'm going to make it over. It's been 10 years, and I don't think I will wear it as the jacket thing. But see, just imagine with this, I can put on with these leggings and try to use the leftover stuff and kind of like do some little boots. So, yes, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make this over, guys. So you guys stay tuned to what I'm going to turn this into. Okay, guys? Yeah, I think I am going to make it over because, like I say, I like it better short and turn it into like a top. We're going to make this over, guys, so stay tuned. Bye. Guys, this is the Make Me Over series. I want to be made over. I want to be made over. Tina Turner, Lord, make me over. Lord, make me nice. And when I'm done, I just want to be. Woo. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start cutting. Cut, 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 cut. Yes, these ain't the right scissors. Okay, need some better scissors. Yep. There we go. So we just cutting on across, 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 on across. Okay, guys. All right. So, if you guys see now, it's short. So then I got to make the pleats and the ruffles for this, guys. So let me see. Okay. Buckle it up. Come on. Thanks for the ride, lady. Okay, that part is a little too long. Gotta fix that. So, okay, guys. Trying to make sure I got it. Come on, belt. There we go. Okay, I'm just trying to line up all the stuff, guys. And then I'll get the next step. Make sure it's cut. Okay, so what I'm wondering, guys, if it's going to be able to take the pleats, because you see how the belt stops right there. See how the belt stops right there? So I'm wondering if it's going to be able to take the pleats. So I definitely got to fix this part, guys. Right. Sure, I think one part is too long. Oh, you can't really tell. But, see, guys, now it's short. Now it is shorter. So, the next step is, guys, I gotta do the pleat things. And, like I say, with this left over, I can actually make me some boots. With this leftover fabric, I can find some boots and do a layover with this, because I was gonna make some pleats, guys, make it around, but I don't know. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Hey guys, I am back with another edition of Make Me Over. Okay, guys, so I have decided, instead of trying to sew those ends of this little jacket, guys, I've decided that I'm going to glue. Just flip it over and glue. Glue the corners down, guys. Glue the corners down. And guys, I got these boots out of the closet because I'm undecided if I want to add some of the stuff to these boots, okay? Y'all see my boots? Let me turn around and show them to you guys. Look at these boots. So, I mean, guys, I was thinking about adding some of that leopard, that print to these boots, guys. But then I got a brown pair. And y'all know the weird thing that I wind up doing, guys? I put these boots on, and I had them on the wrong foot. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that was freaking weird. So, but anyway, guys, back to what's in hand. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put a little glue, and we're going to take it and roll it over. So, I'm like, why sew it? And you can make it so much quicker by adding the glue. Oh, please don't get on my leg and burn me. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'll come back because you guys know I'm using my phone, and I don't have a lot of memory. So, don't want to take up a lot of memory, but that's all I'm doing is just flipping this over, gluing it over. So, I'll come back when I'm done, guys. See you in a little bit. Guys, so here you go. This is the finishing result of the jacket. And no, I decided I'm not going to mess with these boots. I was going to wind up putting that on there, but then I have a jacket that will go perfect with these boots. But if I pair it up with this, then I always feel like I'm obligated to wear these two together. So I decided not to go forward with that, guys. I'm just going to use this fabric. I'm going to go thrift store shopping, and I'm going to find some boots, and then I will use the rest of this fabric for those boots. But yeah, I decided not to take over these boots and do that, guys, because then it'll ruin the boots. So then when I want to wear my other jacket, that's out of the window. So thank you guys for watching. So if you guys have an old jacket that you don't desire it long anymore, cut it into short, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple screenshots, and I think that I like it better as a short jacket. Just going to go thrift store shopping and find some boots and make some boots that will go good with this as well. So as always, guys, you have an awesome day. Bye-bye.